In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video into your Substack post, making your content more dynamic and engaging for your readers. Let's start by selecting the video you'd like to feature. Whether you're choosing a video from YouTube or Vimeo, the first step is quite simple. Head over to the platform that hosts your video. If it's YouTube, open your preferred video, or if you're sourcing from Vimeo, do the same. Now what we're aiming for here is a direct link to that video, as you will be embedding it into your Substack post. This brings us right into the next step. Once you've selected your video, locate the share button, which you'll usually find below the video itself or alongside the video options. Click on that and you'll see multiple options for sharing the video, such as sharing through social media, email, or simply copying the link. What you want to do is click copy link. This copies the unique URL for your chosen video to your clipboard. With that, you're ready to move over to Substack. Now head over to your Substack editor. If you're not already familiar, this is where you create and edit your posts. Go ahead and open the draft where you want to embed the video or start a new draft if you wish. With the Substack editor open and ready, find the right spot in your draft where you'd like the video to appear. This could be anywhere that fits naturally within the flow of your content, such as after an introduction between paragraphs, or even at the end as a wrap-up element. Once you've decided on the location, move to a new line, ensuring you start clean with no leading spaces. Paste the link you copied earlier directly onto this new line. Space is crucial here. By starting on a new line, you're giving Substack the necessary room to interpret and convert the URL into an embedded video player. Now comes one of the magical parts of Substack's simplicity. Once you paste the URL on this fresh line, you can go ahead and hit enter. Substack will automatically take it from there. Without any additional coding or embedding tasks on your part, the pasted link will transform into a neat embedded video player. This user-friendly feature ensures that your readers can view the video right within your post, making for a seamless viewing experience. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your storytelling with multimedia features, creating a richer reading experience. And there you have it, an easy and effective way to bring your Substack post to life with embedded videos. Thanks for tuning in, and happy embedding.